What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over Gala games. Currently, we're sitting at 0.041, up 1.5 on the day. See market cap up 285 million. 24-hour volume, 125 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're into Bickit, sign up, grab with the 8K in bonuses or buy it up to 30K in bonuses. Do the majority of my trading here on Bickit. You can have completely free access to the Discord if you email me or sign up email. And if you make your first deposit, you get a 30-day free trial of my signals analysis, my how to all plays crypto news. 30-day free trial if you make your first deposit. All links in the comments. So let's hop into Gala games. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So to me, it looks like we went through a nice leading diagonal wave one. And we started to break down. So the normal retracement zone is in between 0.040 and 0.039. We've already touched down of that we've already touched 0.040. If we start to break below 0.0394, then it becomes less likely a wave 2 pullback. But until then, we'll look for a bounce from that zone, and then you would push up in a wave 3. If we were to bounce from the current level, then your wave 3 target would be the 1.618, which is currently up at 0.045. That is if we were to bounce from this level, but we may come a little bit deeper into the yellow box. And as I mentioned, if we lose the 786, it becomes a little bit less likely it's a wave 2. Now, on the daily time frame, we've been watching this descending channel here. As you can see, we did get rejected. We do have a rejection candle, but the day is not finished yet. The EMAs are very, very tight, so we should see a larger move relatively soon. I would expect it to come over the next few days as the EMAs are just getting tighter and tighter. And when that happens, eventually you are going to see a break. So look for a bounce from this zone. If we can get a bounce, then we can push it all the way up to 0.0459. And as I mentioned, if we break 0.0393, it's unlikely a wave 2 pullback, and especially if we break that low, it invalidates that. But until then, we can focus on the bullish wave count. So make sure to sign up to one of the exchanges. Check out my full length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. Completely free access to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. 30-day free trial if you make your first deposit. Otherwise, it's $10 a month for my signals analysis. How to all plays member profits. You can sign up to the Patreon link. But as I mentioned, if you make your first deposit, you do get a 30-day free trial for my signals and analysis. All links are in the comments. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.